Okay, so let's talk about what is going on with XRP. We're going to talk about it in the nature of what's going on in the entire crypto market. So I'm going to explain to you in this XRP news video why XRP is down. What can we expect for the remainder of December? We've got 6 days left for December, and then we will look at January. As always, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button here if you're here on YouTube. If you're watching this on X, give me a follow if you like what I'm doing for you. Excuse me. All right. So as I said, XRP is down about 4% on the 1 day. On the 7 day, it's up about 6.5%. And on the 1 month, probably still positive, dramatically so, still 58+% on the 1 month because of really what happened in the previous the first 2 weeks of December, as before we got into all the stuff that happened with the Federal Reserve, the FOMC, and all that happened with that. So I've already explained that to you in a bunch of videos. So the overall market's down 2.3%. But you can see kind of what's going on in the overall market. Bitcoin's down 1.7, Ethereum down 2.5, XRP down, as we know, about 4%, Solana 3, Dogecoin 3.6, Cardano down 3.8. Chainlink down 5.5. What is going on? Well, look, this continues to be the narrative and the story that I've talked to you guys about. So there's a thing called a Santa rally. I think it's pretty much been canceled. I think it's pretty much done. It's a done deal. So why is XRP down today? We got a lot of bears that are stepping in. They're shorting the market. That's happening. I think that people have basically, honestly, given up on December. I think that people have pulled their money out of the market and are pulling the market a little bit out of the market right now. And they're looking towards January. And I think that's really, honestly, what it is. Bears are in control. People shorting the market. People still a little bit fearful, uncertain about what's going to happen for the remainder of 24, which is, again, is only 6 days. But I think when we move into January, I think the tide is going to turn. I think it's going to be like almost like somebody flips a switch and we're going to see things go positive. Now, we may have some volatility. I know we'll have some volatility because it's crypto. But leading up to January 20th, I think you're going to start to see a lot of things change. And I want to share with you these two tweets right here. U.S. Congress is expected to prioritize crypto legislation in 2025. That's interesting because I think that people are losing sight of the fact that, well, there's people that actually think Trump's taken office and he hasn't. So we're still under the current old existing regime that's anti-crypto right now until January 20th. So we got a little bit under a month left of that. We've got Gary Gensler leaving on January 20th. He signed his resignation. Now he's been making some moves. He's been appointing some people and promoting some people that are anti-crypto. So I'm going to be interested to see how that promoting from within the SEC. I'm going to be interested to see what the new guy, Paul Atkins, comes in, if he kind of cleans the house, because he is very pro crypto. And, we all know that Trump and his administration and everything along with that is very pro crypto. So regardless, that's going to be a fun story line to watch and a fun show to watch. It's going to be good stuff. Okay. So why is XRP down? Bears, people shorting the market, people still uncertain and don't really know what's going on. It's kind of like the uncertainty and the doubt still playing out there. The stock market was down earlier today as well. The Santa rally has been canceled. Pretty much it's done. It's just not going to happen. We might get a few updates between now and the end of the year, but nothing major, which is disappointing. Our December was really derailed by the Federal Reserve. And when they came out earlier this month, I think it was last week, last week, when they came out and took those two interest rate reductions off the table for 2025, that spooked everybody because it created uncertainty looking forward into 2025. It really scared a bunch of people. And that's why we had $520 billion in market cap that was eroded in about the next 72 hours after that announcement came out. And that's what we've been dealing with in the fallout from Wednesday of last week until now, which is volatility, but all that, hundreds of billions of dollars leaving the market. A lot of it lost XRP. A lot of it exited from Bitcoin, exit from XRP, Bitcoin, all the major blue chips, Ethereum, all that. And that's really what we're at. Okay. So it's kind of this kind of combination of everything that you're seeing playing out. And then finally, fundamentally, I think that people are looking towards January, and I think that they're pulling that money out. Hopefully they're not selling and taking a loss because there's really no reason to do that. and saying, okay, I'm going to be looking to time my entry back in when we start to see things, the tides turning and things starting to turn. Now, I'll leave you with one final tweet, and this is a tweet I put out earlier today. Everyone is selling on red days, days like today. You should be buying today and selling on the green days. Don't be like everyone else. And to me, I don't have any tattoos, but this is almost like literally tattoo worthy, right? You should be buying on days like today, and you should be selling on the green days. And most people do it exactly the opposite. Most people start to buy and they FOMO in when they see all these massive green candles coming. That you buy now. You buy when things are red. You buy when things are down. I mean, I've been buying this last week Bitcoin. I bought XRP. I bought some more Ethereum. I bought some more blue chips like Cardano, things of that nature. I bought some other meme coins. My point is, you step in and you buy, and it's hard to do at times. I understand that, but that's truly how the wealth is created. You buy on those days and you sell on the green days. It's not the other way around. Thanks. And I appreciate you. Thank you for your support in 2024. I'll be here for you every day, as always, as we roll into 2025. This is going to get fun. Later.